What if I told you you could scrape thousands of LinkedIn leads every single day without paying for expensive APIs, scraping tools, or lead generation softwares? In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a complete automation using n8n that finds LinkedIn profiles automatically, extract names, job title, profiles, links, and descriptions, avoids duplicate results and loop through pages automatically, and sends everything directly into your Google Sheet. And the best part is you can do it for using free custom search APIs, Google search APIs. So by the end of video, you will have the fully working lead scraping machine. Let's jump into it. Okay, so let's get started. So I've created a one workflow that goes to SerpAPI. So basically I'm using SerpAPI. I was trying to get the Google search custom search, but there was lots of configurations required. So instead of using Google search, I use SerpAPI search. It basically provides the multiple search options available in SerpAPI. Let's open SerpAPI so you can get the idea. So you can go to SerpAPI, you can sign in with. Okay, so if you can see the dashboard, I created a private key. You can copy this private key and use it into the n8n workflow. So if I go to pricing, so basically it will allow 250 searches per month and 50 throughput per hour. And yeah, so I think that's enough, 250 searches per month. So that should be suffice for now, but in future you can use some other tools. Okay, so let's get started. So when I run this workflow, basically it appends the leads into my Excel sheet automatically. So if you can see, it appends the URLs, CEO details, email accounts. If I see the name, title, and the URL of that person, and snippet, sources where from I get it, followers, and query and paste at the position. So you can go to the profiles, click on the profile, and you can view the information, and then you can reach out to them. So let me explain the workflow. First, I added manual trigger. So this will be an initial trigger. You can set some timely trigger. You can customize it. So I also added some custom input details to do the manual trigger. So I set some model like manual mapping. You can do the JSON and JSON also if you have the JSON. I added the query. I'm searching CEO technology on Google. So I'll search with this parameter. Let me take you to the Google. So basically it will hit the search to the Google. Yeah, so basically it is filtering out from the Google and getting all the list of CEO, and there are multiple paginations. So we are doing the looping. How many pages are there? It will loop through and append all the records into this Excel sheet. So this is the input area. Query will be this one, and result per page, how many results I want. So it will return 10 results per page. Start index will be 1 and process count will be 0. SerpAPI. So here I added the SerpAPI key. You can go to the SerpAPI platform and log in there. Go to your dashboard. You will get this API key. You can copy it and paste it here. Okay. So this is that. And then moving on to the SerpAPI search. Let me open it. So here is the URL of SerpAPI search. I will get the URL and what parameter I'm sending the SerpAPI key that I set in initially on the parameter input parameters. And there's engine, what engine I'm using, Google. What should be the query? Query should be this one. So you can drag and drop here, put it here. From where it will start. So I'll put take the start index from 1. So I can drag and drop from here. And number, how many records I want to retrieve from the Google. So I added 10, or you can just pick from here or manually do it. So when you execute this step, it will fetch from that SerpAPI, and SerpAPI in behind it is calling the Google API search, custom search APIs, and it will fetch the results, metadata, search parameters, and inline images, and there are like title, thumbnail, all the details it will fetch. So let me move to the next step. So normalized result. So this is some custom script I wrote. You can go to the chat GPT and ask it to write the custom JavaScript code. So basically it will take your metadata and it will filter out all the results coming from the Google. So you can filter it out, or you can, there is a button of Ask AI. You can click on it and just give a prompt. So it will write code for you. And then once you execute it, it will filter out the data and put it into like name, title, link, snippet, display link, query, source, position, and fetch tag. So there are like lots of information coming from the SerpAPI search. It will filter out this code will be filtering out required information from the this JSON result. Okay, so let's move on to the next. So this is another node. You can create a duplicate, remove duplicates. So what I want to remove select using some specific selected field. I want to remove the duplicate. So link always be the unique one. Name can be a duplicate, but the link, the profile link always will be unique. So I'll do the duplicate remove from the link. So it will remove all the duplicates by using the link and return the unique results. So if you execute the result, it will show you all the unique results from here. Okay, now coming to the next step. So I created one LinkedIn leads Excel sheet and Google Drive. Okay, so you can go to your account and create a new link. Let me create a fresh one. So I'll create a LinkedIn lead. CEO lead. Okay, I typed that wrong place. Let me copy it, paste here. Okay, it's done. So what I will do, I'll copy this URL, come here by URL. You can select from, if you want to search by ID from list or URL. So right now I'm using URL. I'll do that, paste it, and by name, I'll select this sheet 1. So it is automatically created sheet 1. So I'll do this sheet 1. Okay, I'll choose from the list. So it will automatically populate it. If you want to map some data on specific column, you can just create column here, and it will automatically refresh here. But I want to do it automatically. So whatever columns are coming into this lead result, I'll map all the columns automatically. So I'll run a test run. Let's execute it. There is no data, so it created all the columns and appended data automatically. If you can see it here, you will see that. So let me close this one. Next step is, this is done. Next step is to the pagination control. So you can ask, you can go to chat GPT and ask it to implement some pagination JavaScript code. So it will pick like from where you want to pick and from where it should continue and from what should be the next index and what should be the process count. So it will, based on the previous counts and the index, it will calculate everything. So if you see, it did some calculations here, and current index plus 10, it will increase the 10 index and add here. So basically it will append the pagination control. You can ask AI also, go to ChatGPT, it will write you all the code. You can just come here and copy paste it. So whenever you execute it, it will generate all the pagination controls. It will get all the information, like it will start from 11 and it will continue the loop, and next process count should be 1, max page is 5. So that way, and what should be the query and API key, all information will be there. Coming to next step is more results. So it will check all the loops, whatever is coming from the previous node, and get the information. It will continue. If there are records available, there is more pagination available on SerpAPI. It will automatically continue the loop into the Google, like as I shown. So it will continue to all the pages and pick all the information from the Google and filter out. So this is for filtering out the results. So once it is done, it will wait for some time. I added wait node. So I'm waiting for 2 seconds, and then it will continue to call back to the SerpAPI. So this way it will continue the loop, and it will also maintain the state. I added the state node, loop state. So it will do the manual mapping. You can check the previous node, and from there it will pick all the information and map it here. Coming to workflow complete. Once the workflow is completed, it will complete the workflow. So once all the pages are completed, it will mark it as a complete, and it will the state will be completed. So until the flow is not completed, it will do the loop and pull all the data from all the pages till last index of the Google and put it into the Excel sheet. So let me hit start the workflow. So it will what it will do, it will go SerpAPI and pull all the information, and it will start appending to the Excel sheet. If you see here, it will automatically start appending. See, it is appending the data, and also you can see the timestamp. See, it is continuously doing the append. So it will continue until the all the index are not completed. So for now I'm stopping because there are lots of large number of data available on Google. So this way you can create workflow, how I guided you. I also attached the uh, workflow details into the YouTube description. You can go there and download and import into your n8n workflow. You can create a new workflow, and then you just go to here and import from the file. You can just import this, and you just need to configure your Excel sheet URL and spreadsheet details and your SerpAPI keys. Just go and register to SerpAPI, get the API key, and do it here. So I think that's all. If you guys liked it, like the video, please drop the comment. If you have any question, you can drop it, and you can reach out to my email address. I'll help you set up your automations for your business and do your automation job.